subscription bell. Let's do this. Yeah.
Alright. Welcome back to Hip Hop Headquarters, y'all. Thanks for tapping back in. Hopefully y'all enjoying y'all weekend.
For sure, say that 2 times, co-host. But first, let's sub it up. What up, y'all? We got your boy Nas in the building. Opened up his own chicken spot. Let's say what? Boy? Alright, now Nas, keep doing your thing. They got Busta Rhymes pulled up. NORE and Jadakiss. Roll the tape, yo. Yeah.
Playing these like, am I lying?
No, you ain't lying, bro.
And he booked the reservation here. I told him, said, book it. He's your biggest fan, and he had to.
Shout out to Mitch.
Yo, Mitch,
Shout
man, Mitch.
out to Mitch.
I did not plan this. I did not plan this, Mitch. My bad, but look.
I feel like I just met one of the Avengers right now, man.
Mitch is so bad.
Got me doing all that. I'm watching.
Fried chicken.
Kentucky, baby. Funny boy, I was the lit.
This shit is amazing, and I'm not gonna sit here and eat in front of you. But I am gonna say this as confirmation. This shit is unreal.
Alright, y'all heard it and seen it from Nas himself with NORE, Busta Rhymes, and all them other dudes, man. They doing their thing. Shout out to them, man. That chicken wing do look gooder than a mug. I ain't gonna lie about that part.
For sure, co-host. So you right. Them chickens came in some nice buckets and things, looking all, all luxurious and stuff. Looking way better than that KFC bucket. Man, that's for real, boy. I need to visit that spot. Let me know what y'all think about how that chicken looking in the comments below. With that said, check out the merch. The link is in the description below somewhere. Always say that guap when you shop with our shop. Like, comment, subscribe, share, follow, all the above. And until next time,